To make a DoorDash driver account in Canada, start by going to the DoorDash website and clicking on the Become a Dasher button. This will take you to a page where you can enter your email address and create a password for your account. Next, fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and phone number. You will also need to provide proof of identity and age, such as a driver's license or passport. After completing the registration form, you will be asked to add your vehicle information, including the make, model, and year of your vehicle. You will also need to provide proof of insurance and a valid Canadian driver's license. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be asked to download the DoorDash app and complete an orientation session. This session will walk you through the basics of being a DoorDash driver, including how to receive and complete orders. To activate your account, you will need to attend an in-person orientation session at a local DoorDash office or complete an online orientation session. You will also need to consent to a background check, which is a mandatory step in the registration process. After your account is activated, you can start receiving orders and making deliveries. You will be able to choose when you want to work and which orders you want to accept. You will also be able to track your earnings and view your delivery history through the DoorDash app. To be eligible to become a DoorDash driver in Canada, you must be at least 18 years old, have a valid Canadian driver's license, and have proof of insurance. You must also have a vehicle that meets the DoorDash vehicle requirements, which includes having a valid Canadian vehicle registration and a clean driving record. By following these steps and meeting the eligibility requirements, you can create a DoorDash driver account in Canada and start making deliveries today. Remember to always follow the rules of the road and provide excellent customer service to ensure a positive experience for your customers.